that the more amount of sodium is added is the higher the concentration. So did everyone enjoy our short activity? Yes. Okay. So in this activity, today we're going to have another topic or another lesson. But before that, we're going to have first the pre-assessment for you to and which one is the familiarity on the topic. The direction is write fact if the statement is correct and block if it is wrong. Get one half sheet of paper. Write your name, the day today, and your date and section. Number 1. Okay, next. Okay, time's up. Class, please exchange your paper. Let's check. Get the perfect score. A, pass your paper forward. In this afternoon class, we're going to have another lesson. And before that, what is matter again class for you? Yes, correct. Matter has anything that's matter has space and anything that. But before we talk more about our short activity, we're going to have the matter scavenger hunt. Class. Okay, let's start. So time's up class. Please proceed to your seats now. Okay, group 1, please present your work at the front. Okay, very good. How about the group 2? Okay, in doing these activities class, what is the first things that we will consider? Right, it's the groupings of the pictures and why it belongs to your group. Okay. Based on our activity, do you have any idea what will be our topic? Correct, that's about pure substance and mixture. That's correct, so about pure substance and mixtures. But before we talk more about pure substance and mixtures, I have here class a picture. What can you observe about the picture class? Yes, princess. Yes, it is a salt and a water. How about this? Yes, Marco. It's a vinegar and a syrup. How about this one? Correct. A fruit salad and a sand with water. How about this? Correct. It's a water with oil and a milk. Let's see your different observations in the pictures. Why do you think salt can be dissolved in water but not the sand? Why do you think? Okay, it's because salt has spread different completely salt in the water but not the sand. Before we proceed to before we tackle more about our topic, let's watch this video first about pure substance and mixture. About that. Pretend that this is ball is a bomb, and you're going to pass it on your seatmate. And when the music stops, the student who's holding the ball will answer the question. Okay, let's start. Okay, yes, Carly. Based on the video, what is pure substance? Correct. Let's continue. Okay, Marco. What is it? Correct. It's homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. I want your class to get one half sheet of paper. Write your name, the day today, and your grade and section. To read their answers. Okay. Time's up. Yes, Kathy. For you, what is pure substance? Correct. How about you, Margo? For you, what is pure substance? Yes, correct. because it has two elements combined. Okay, Abigail. For you, what is compound? Correct. Compound is a pure substance made with two or more elements, bonds. So what again is the two types of pure substance class? The elements and compounds. What is the difference between the elements and compounds? Elements consist of one atom, and compound is a combination of two elements. The another type of matter class is mixture. For you class, what is mixture? Okay, correct. Mixture is a combination of two or more substances that are physically combined but not chemically joined. Each substance gives its own properties and cannot be separated by physical means. Mixtures can be homogeneous like salt, water, and heterogeneous like sand and water. So we're going to watch class another video about mixture. But before that, I want you to write this on your notebook, the guide question for our video. What is homogeneous mixture? Yes, Monica. Okay, correct. How about heterogeneous mixture? Yes, Mary. Can you give me an example of heterogeneous mixture? Okay, correct. What is the difference between homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture? Yes, Nathanael. Okay, correct. There are two types of mixture class. The homogeneous mixtures and the heterogeneous mixtures. In the homogeneous mixtures, you cannot see the difference between the types of matter. This is because the solving occurs. Homogeneous mixtures can also homogeneous mixture class, the type of mixtures where the substances are evenly mixed and look the same throughout. You cannot see the other in heterogeneous mixture, as no dissolving occurs in this type of mixtures. Example: the oil and the water, the sun and the water. So, if everyone understand what is mixtures, the two types of mixtures, the homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. What again class is the homogeneous mixtures? Correct. It is the homogeneous mixtures is a substance that is completely dissolved in the water. How about heterogeneous mixtures? Yes, correct. Heterogeneous mixtures, you can see the divisible parts because it does not dissolve completely. About our discussion. We're going to have class a short quiz. Get one half sheet of paper and write your name, the date today, and your section and class. Okay, are you done, class? Exchange paper and we're going to check. Okay, who got the perfect score? Very good. Okay, please pass your paper forward and we're going to have what I have learned. Did everyone understand what is pure substance and mixture class? Okay, the difference between pure substance and mixture. The two types of pure substance is elements and compound. How about the mixture? The two types of mixture. The homogeneous and heterogeneous. So I have here a short activity. If I give an example of element, you're going to show your hands thumbs up. And when I give an example of compound, you're going to thumbs down. And when I give an example of a homogeneous mixture, you're going to have your finger part. And when heterogeneous mixture, just a closed fist. Okay. Is there any questions, class, about our activity? Okay, now we're going to have post test. Test 1. Get one sheet of paper, class. submission date is October 24,